Evening war ongoing in Okigwe now between Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistance fighter and Nigeria military and Air Force. Things are happening. They say Commander Jensen don't come outside again. You know, say people they ask, where is Commander Jensen? No, waiting happen. The guy don't show, say nothing they happen, say they get a bam. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Remember, say this channel, they bring you update of everything where they happen all over the world, for inside Biafra land and for inside Nigeria, anywhere for Africa. We'll go look into the Okigwe news we will get for hand this morning. The first tweet come from Simon Ekwakutis. He said that the Biafra Liberation Army is getting ready to face Nigeria Army. So this is how he put it. So let's take it one after the other. He said, breaking: the Biafra Liberation Army are currently warming up for today's march against the terrorist Nigeria Army. They have arrived with over 100 healers and 30 tanks at Okigwe. I have mandated the Biafra Liberation Army to neutralize as many as possible. Don't be smart, you know, things are really happening. The result will be out very soon. Coming from Simon Ekpa. However, let's go and read out the next update. They say, breaking news: heavy war ongoing in Okigwe, Imo State, between Biafra Liberation Army and the Zoo terrorists. Coming to continue. Okay, my people, that's all we see them this morning, and they say now waiting they happen for Okigwe according to Simon Ekpa. Let's go and play the video of a gentle appear again and say nothing happened to Ram, because a lot of people are being asking what happened to Gentle, why is he not talking again, what happened, is it fine? So this is the guy called Gentle, which is the commander of Biafra Liberation Army. Let's play the video.
I don't show up again, no. I don't land, I don't come. Tupu magani yoru. Kam kelekwa anaese makana. Ekelekwa mumadi lile la bambo. Kefuna yane gugu ya boyo yane ma. Ana mekele chuko kitabi ama ekekele libe kowa. Nekele kwa ndichi ele ekele ndichi ala. Ekele muni lile sinime ya welowa. Ekele kwa brani lile lidumija. Wana sobere ibuni yeguo mea. Ise. Oli sina waja wenke wachua. Ise. Kanasi na utumwa koko mwada mwoko kwa mwosa. Osisi ala from na atungwa ufe ya majerioli. Ise. Omo nyam jinkia, omo kwa nyam jinkia. Kama nyani kuku ya bana aka ola sina wele Biafra yenu no joy weti aya majeri. Ise. As it is with us, you could abandon. Ise. No retreat, no surrender. We are standing bang over this movement. I want to say kekere kwa kowa. Otum na jelanzo. Ise. Osisi na waja wake wachua. Ise. Omo na muwa jega luga osa. Biafrans at large, ejega luga osa. Just in the house kwa dia. Achera ya wate kom. Ise. Au na muwa mebe yedo ta. Biafrans mebe yedo ta. Nna mungu igwe botozo. The Biafran Liberation Army. The Biafran Commander General in Biafran Nation. Au na ya chelo de chicha. Sinda usa Yoruba kwa liaba. Achera na wate kwa ya atulash. Ise. Afan na ya mebe yedo ta. Ekekere libe kowa gala amma nda nina sawo enemies of Biafra anda nina bolo fa DOS ise amafala ise without Biafra there will be no peace ise whether una like it or not ogo agorago amango kamyo agorago ifo na ogo ifo njaje ogo no fo ejiro mojo wa butowa awa ko ni fo ni elon na wede moja nto ekele melu kelala kelo ko tata bu Saturday Boria, 30th of September, Lima, year of 2023. Ekele mama ni kele ko chuko kabe na kele ndi chene jere mozi kele moni na ba ni na jere mozi asime kele de ko ni ko do nyanta wena kele ko all of us of Biafrans na kele ko nda ona ewe maka na mama wenda ona ewe Because I see the sweet dogs, you better depend there. As we can, we have to work on the purpose to come here. Ya be sere mo ka sere mo ai. Udo ke chukwu ka ba me adre ko Biafra.
Sure.
Akele kwa mu mmadụ dịka Igwe Botozo, the chief of army staff in Biafra nation. Akele kwa Igwe Zuma the Rock. Namukwa throw salute to you. Mbare bu mbo bullet na water. I have come to the agreement to let the world know that yes, only Ezoku na kwami, only Ezoku na agari. They are just beating around the bush. Well, say, all the lovers of Biafrans all over the world, keep on moving to Okigwe and whether they like it or not, whether they don't like it or not. I have given this explanation to them, but I have seen that they don't want to believe my word and they don't want to listen to my word. Now, I come again. It's very, very short and very simple. I've said this before, and I am still repeating it again. No retreat, no surrender. I know that the world have been waiting to hear my voice, and I have come to tell the world that I am still living, and I must still tell the truth. Until we actualize Biafra. I am not a terrorist. Me and my people are not a terrorist. But I must tell the world and let the world understand this game these days. Now let me narrate the game clearly to all the world. The game is it goes like this. We are Biafra Liberation Army, and it has been a long time that we have started seeking for our freedom. The government try not to give us our freedom. The Africans are like people that are so much blind. But thank God for Biafrans today. Our eyes are open. And we have seen everything. The world have known everything. Everyone have understand everything. Forget about all these moves that have been saying all sorts of evils in the social media because of the money they pay for them. That's why they have been talking rubbish. Somebody like King of the Game. I never have his time. And I can't have his time. He's a tout. And the only answer given to a fool is to keep quiet and keep silent. That is the only answer to a fool. So I don't have his time. He can be messing up because of the little money they gave to him. That is why they are selling the freedom of Biafra, calling Biafra fraud. I have seen everything. But I must assure you one thing. Only but one day you must prepare for this.
Sir?
That is all I have to tell you. Only but one day you must face the wrath. And you must pay for this.
Yes, sir.
I don't have your time. I am Onyezoku, the king of kings in Okigwe. Igwe Obatobia, one of Okigwe. I am not afraid of any idiot. I am not afraid of any vagabond. Like the way I said it before earlier. There is the only man I can be afraid of is Chukwokika Biama, whom that have created the heaven and earth. Who made me on his own image? Who created me on his own likeness of? Whom that have loved me and brought me out for this movement. That is the only man that I will be afraid of. Secondly, the Biafra nation. That is the way I will become afraid. That is the way I will become afraid because if you didn't make it because of this land, I'm telling you, you are in trouble. Moving around the whole Imo states, scattering everywhere with your fighter jet and the amount tanker can never solve the problem. If you say you are a man, you can face Gento, aka Gento the Yahoo. This is one country because it's not my nation. I know who I am, I'm a Biafran. If you like, use my brother. If you don't like, leave. You can never get me. And I repeat myself again. Concerning what Aboki man said, a Fulani man said, that there is no tribe that can win Igbo man except you use Igbo against Igbo. And look at what is happening today. They have been using Igbo against Igbo. And you think you are wise. How many times have Boko Haram has come up on the stage and begin to castigate themselves? while the vice president is the head of Boko Haram right away. He is the head of Boko Haram right away. And we are doing rubbish. Castigating ourselves. Why we say we know something? Because of a little money they gave to you. From what you have, from what they get from your land, they bring a little and give to you inside it. And you will start strengthening your brother anyhow. You start killing your brothers. And you are telling me to shut up. And you are telling me not to say the truth. Sapele 24th of this month. 24th of this month, Sapele. Who is that man you kidnapped at Yumuze Royal Hotel? Sapele. Who is that man you kidnapped? You have taken 17 million naira from his people at Yumuze. Sapele have all evidence. Very soon I will start playing the evidences so that people will know and believe what I'm saying. Sapele, you are doing all these things, and you people are hiding it that we are the one doing all these things. Sapele, whatsoever you sow, so shall you reap. Sir. All the road viewers, whatsoever that you people sow in the head of Nnamdi Kanu, so shall you people reap. Yes, sir. Only but one day. Only but one day. I don't have much to say than to tell the world that we're still alive and nothing can happen to any one of my men. Yes, sir. I must keep on telling the truth. And that truth all alone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Nigeria, stop moving from one native doctor to another. On my head, all those things is invalid. It's not going anywhere. It's invalid, and you cannot get me. Both my picture media general. In Agoro, waiting concern me and you. I be Biafra in Nigeria. You are not from my tribe. You are not from my country. So nothing concerns me with you. So this is all I have to tell you. It is like the one you keep on moving around with your fighter jet. You keep on moving around with your juju. I don't care. I don't give fucking bloody care. What I want to tell you is this. This is your turn. And now it is my turn. And I want to play the plasma in the way that you people will see and believe and closely here. Thank you. And God bless you.
And my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, not be smart, you know. You don't hear everything when talk for this particular video. As the guy don't come outside again, because so many people carry rumors say the guy, but I say don't buy. But some they ask wetin happen to Gentle. But finally, don't come outside, come speak up, say in the gidigbam, say nothing the apple. And the information where would they get this morning be say they say a battle they go on between Nigeria Army and the Biafra Liberation Army for Okigwe. If you dey around this side, I beg, be careful. Be careful because of flying bullet as it dey happen for that area. We are looking closely. Any update we will get today, we will still bring and come give you. May you stay tuned. Share this video and also subscribe to this channel. Very, very important. See you in the next update.